Swenson Shear Stone Coat Cutter. The Swenson Shear Stone Coat Cutter, a versatile tool designed for a wide range of metal roof applications, from stone-coated metal shake and shingles to 14-gauge stainless flat sheets. This cutter is perfect for various roofing tasks. Equipped with a 34-inch blade made of durable, high-carbon steel, the Stone Coat Cutter ensures a clean, precise cut every time. Safe and efficient, this go-to tool is an excellent addition to your toolkit. For a comprehensive roofing solution, pair the Stone Coat Cutter with the base and ridge bender. Proudly designed and manufactured in the USA, the Swenson Shear Stone Coat Cutter offers unmatched performance and reliability for all your metal roofing needs. The Capro Drywall Level 773 is a versatile and efficient tool for drywall installation tasks. It features stud slots and markers for standard stud layout, rare earth magnets for easy insertion and movement of aluminum studs, and layout markers for quickly finding studs behind drywall sheets. It has epoxy-locked, solid acrylic vials, including one plumb sight dual-view vertical vial and one horizontal vial. The milled surface and shock-proof end caps ensure durability and precision. Achieve professional results with the Kapro Drywall Level 773. The Wolfcraft VLC1000 is a powerful vinyl and laminate cutter designed for professional use. With a three-fold power transmission system, it can easily cut thick laminate, vinyl, and design boards up to 14 mm thick and 370 mm wide. The patented return mechanism optimizes workflow, and the smooth blade ensures clean cuts without splinters. It efficiently handles click vinyl boards and vinyl tiles up to 6 mm thick, and the EDP coating prevents anything from sticking to the blade. The cutting gap can be easily adjusted to 4 settings, and the limit stop can be adjusted for accurate 90 cuts or angle cuts between 0 and 180 degrees. The VLC1000 operates quietly and generates minimal dust, making it perfect for use at the place of installation. The TOUGHBUILT Transfer Shovel with D-grip handle is a durable and lightweight composite shovel that delivers ergonomic performance. Its heat-treated carbon steel squared tip style head is optimized with a wide profile, making it easy to scoop, lift, and transfer loose materials. The 34 shaved octagonal shape composite D-grip handle provides a strong, comfortable hold and is engineered for cross-platform utility. The squared tip blade design and deep angular cup profile make it easy to scoop and hold loose materials for transferring and spreading. With its durable stress tolerances, the transfer shovel is built to last. The Nepex TubiX XL pipe cutter is a versatile tool for plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and electrical applications. Its spring-loaded quick-lock mechanism holds the tool on the pipe once locked in place, ensuring precise and quick cutting. The cutting wheel is made of high-grade ball-bearing steel and 4 guide rollers, allowing for easy cutting of pipes from -676 mm and a wall thickness up to 2 mm. The cutting wheel can be quickly replaced without any tools, and a spare cutting wheel is stored in the handle. The lightweight and durable aluminum housing houses a removable, precision ground deburring tool. This tool is perfect for easily cutting gas and water pipes made of copper, brass, and stainless steel, as well as cutting rigid steel conduits and stripping steel wire armored cables for electrical applications. The STABILA Pocket PRO Magnetic Spirit Level is a professional mini-sized level that is perfect for on-the-go use. Its robust aluminum housing and 2 milled V-groove leveling surfaces with extra strong rare earth magnets make it easy to align and level on all steel structures, especially rounded surfaces. Its accuracy is ensured by the use of STABILA Precision Vial. This level is ideal for tasks in tight and inaccessible location, where portability and precision are crucial. The Ibenstock centering shafts or pilot rods are designed for dry drilling up to 82 mm in abrasive materials and electrical installation work. They feature electronic soft start, temperature control, and overcurrent cutoff with an overload indication for safe and reliable performance. The mechanical safety clutch protects against overloading, and the low weight of the tool provides high performance. The per construction site cable is strong and ideal for heavy-duty use. The ergonomic handle with a large dimension switch button ensures good control and effortless working. Additionally, the variable adjustment on the collar allows for comfortable use with an additional handle. The WP Cover Puller by JAZON is the ultimate tool for lifting sewage chambers. It features interchangeable hooks for different types of covers and offers one-person operation for convenience. Made of high-quality materials, this tool ensures a long-lasting performance. With a non-slip grip and wide range of lever adjustment, it enables easy and safe lifting of heavy covers. Produced by a domestic brand, JAZON, this tool is perfect for lifting heavy covers with ease. Upgrade your lifting game with the WP Cover Puller and ensure efficient lifting of heavy covers on any construction site, big or small. Enjoy safe, effortless, and reliable performance with this ultimate lifting tool for sewage chambers. Blue Spruce Toolworks marking gauges are the ultimate solution for precise and efficient marking. These gauges feature a small radius on the blade, which provides better tactile feedback than a pin gauge, similar to a wheel-style cutter. The precision-milled aluminum body and beam feature sculpted curves for a comfortable grip, while the radius spearpoint blade profile is honed to a razor's edge. The blade tucks into the fence for safe storage, protecting both the cutting edge and fingers. Whether for large construction projects or small DIY projects, these marking gauges ensure clean, accurate, and effortless marking for your saws and chisels to reference. Upgrade your marking game with Blue Spruce Toolworks marking gauges. Klein's plier wrench is a versatile tool that functions as both an adjustable wrench and pump plier. Its reversible jaw provides smooth parallel jaws, as well as knurled teeth on the reverse side when extra bite is needed. The plier wrench features parallel jaws for secure and smooth gripping of nuts, bolts, and other workpiece. The reversible jaw is perfect for working with conduit and other materials that require extra grip. The handle lever adjustment minimizes hand travel and allows for adjustment in confined spaces, making this tool a must-have for any toolbox. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.